Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis. For gold for 5th of December 2023, last month of the year. Let's see what's happening first of all in the Forex factory. Let me share my screen with you and we start from there. Right. Tomorrow, 5th of December, in the day is starting in few hours. The market will start in fact in 10-15 minutes as of the record of this video. Recording as the recording of this video is UK time, and as you can see that tomorrow we have 3:30 a.m. Some news. AUD, and that may affect the gold price. And we got USD at 3 p.m. ISM services and jobs openings. These will affect the gold price. So these are the major news for the day. Let's go to the gold. Right. Interesting. Gold created all-time high. Let's start from the monthly chart. And let me put this. In fact, we'll go to a different chart now. Yes. See, huge rejection from here. And then this is the huge rejection. And it's a start of month. And weekly, you can see that it was start of week, first day of the December. First Monday of the December, first working day. And in fact, was it first working day? It's the second working day, in fact, because Friday was the first. So anyway, let's go to the daily and see what movement we had. Amazing. So market started from here, 2076 to 2147. Huge movement, almost 700 pips. And the drop, that was the market when made the high of nearly 700 pips, and the drop was 2147 to 2024. Right, nearly 800 pips, under 800 pips or so. It's a huge movement in the gold. It does not happen usually. So what we see here now is a strong rejection, means the market we can expect. In daily, we can expect the market to go down. However, in weekly, once the market tests this level, around 2000 level, and it's a fair value gap here, so we can expect the market to go up again. And in daily, as I said, and in monthly, we can see what can happen on monthly. Let's see, let's put our Fibonacci level and we can see the possible scenarios could be 1980, and we got 2018, and we got 1940, now 1883, 1810 levels. So we would possibly look for the levels which are more coincide with the resistance levels. So around 2000 level. Bear in mind that in big time frame, there could be a fluctuation of 100 odd pips, like could be 150 pips, 50 pips. So bear in mind. So this is a level and we definitely can expect the market can come to in this zone. Let's define this, and from here we can see rejection. And if I put the fib levels here, on this leg, we got slightly lower than 60 golden ratio, 0.618. And if I put the Fibonacci levels here on this big move, then it's 0.38 area nearly. So a lot of times we see the move rejection point from 0.38 area as well. Maybe we get a spike here and move to the upside. And if it's broken, then move to the downside. So there's a different ways of looking at the market. All we need to know is to look for a strong pattern, a strong candlestick pattern, and look then the support or resistance level, and then go for the long entry. In terms of long entries and for short entries for day trading, I mean short-term entries, we have to look smaller time frames. Here we see the rejection from here, and I'm expecting it to come down here from here. Right. Or maybe from here, maybe double top and then go to the upside in 1 hour. Let's see what's in the 4 hour. In 4 hour, this is important zone because it will stop this to come down. That it will not bring it that easily. But however, if the because daily is bearish, it's a huge rejection, so we may be able to see a breakdown of this area after some consolidation, and then next level will be this. And further on, if this is broken, that's next level here, next area here. So if you trade area to area, then there's no power on earth which can stop you being a good trader as long as you have good risk management. Make sure you see the candlestick patterns, confirmations patterns, and before you put your trade, and keep the losses smaller and profits higher. And good risk management is the key to success after you master the technical analysis and a little bit of fundamentals, especially the news timings. I hope this is helpful, and you have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.